Welcome to TechLeapR channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert tick mark on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Excel. After that, open any document. Now today I will show you two methods that you can use to insert a tick mark on Excel. Now for the first method, just select any cell and then click on Home tab. After that, go to Font option. Then you have to type Webdings, WEB, that's it. Just press enter. Now to insert tick mark, you have to just press A from your keyboard. Just do it and that's it. Also, if you want to insert cross mark, just type R and here it is. Now just put the cursor here and select your cell and you can see it's inserted successfully. Now for the second method, just select any cell and then go to insert, then click on symbol at the top right corner. From here find tick mark, that's it. Just select it and then click on insert and then close the window and here it is. You can see it's inserted successfully. Now just put the cursor here again and then select here all the cell and that's it. And that is how you can insert tick mark on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.